Guys, stop lying about someone's death. Guys, stop playing. You want sindiswa dlathu to be dead. You want that. You want to be dead. No. Now it's 3 times. It's about 4 times. People, bloggers, they were posting about rest in peace. They were saying rest in peace sindiswa dlathu. Guys, sindiswa dlathu from Muvango. Now she is on Isipetu. She ex the river. Guys, it's not good. You want sindiswa dlathu to be dead. You want that. Guys, don't playing with one's death. No. Don't lie to people. If you don't have something to post, don't even post. Don't lie about someone's death. Don't lie about someone's death because you don't have anything to post. If you don't have anything to post, don't even post. You will post tomorrow. If you don't have content, create your own content. Sometimes you have to create your own content. Not stop lying to people about sindiswa dlathu's death. Guys, sindiswa dlathu, she is alive. I saw the post 5 days ago. They're saying rest in peace sindiswa dlathu. She had got accident, and it's a 4th time people posting about that. Sindiswa dlathu, she has got an accident. You want sindiswa dlathu to have an accident and dead? You want that? Guys, don't lie with someone's death. Don't lie with someone's death. Okay, when sindiswa dlathu, she is dead. When you want sindiswa dlathu to be dead, so what do you gain? You gain about her death. What do you gain? You want her to trend. Okay, she is trending for a week. So what do you gain? What do you gain from that? Guys, create your own content if you don't have anything to post, because you are lying to people about someone's death because you want content. No. Create your own content. Sometimes if you don't have anything to post, create your own content about someone's death. You are saying sindiswa dlathu, she is dead. No, this is not right.